What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by WeQueen. Of course, they always come through with a braid wig unit, guys. I am definitely feeling this one as well. I think this unit is 28 inches. It does come down to my waist. This braid wig unit is beautifully made. I am definitely feeling this, knowing that I am bald headed and I ain't got no hair and I don't have to wait hours on getting my hair done. So yes, this is definitely a win for me. I love the construction of this unit. These braids are literally slayed to the gods, okay? I'm here for it. I am here for it. I am here for it. Everything about this wig unit will be in the description box below. And as well, I do have a coupon code for you guys, so it will be in the description box as well. Oh, and I do want to shout out my girl Candace. She came through with my makeup, honey. I got a lot planned for today, so I'm trying to get my videos out of the way. But homegirl came through, okay? She came through, okay? So yeah, if you're in Mississippi and the Metro Jackson area, I will put her information down in the description box below. Yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial.
Moon is rising and the stars are coming now, but we're missing 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need an hour with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober.
Go ahead and adjust the straps in the back of the wig.
From your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love.
And spray my lace with even lace tints.
I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yet what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause